Hello guys, it's Alethea. Sometimes I get a little bored with doing the same thing over and over, and I want to try my hand and look in another direction. I go to my DIYs. This is a create your first macrame plant hanger. I always like these hangers, and I have gotten into it before years ago, and I have shown these kits that I've ordered before, but I haven't done anything to it. So I'm back to checking them out again and seeing what I can create as I go along. I have already started a hanger here, and I'll show you as I go along. So as you can see, I have it hooked on my little scissors in my drawer here. I completed what they call the knot in the beginning of the hanger. So this macrame cord I ordered from Amazon, and comparing it to the ones that came in the kit, they are so tiny. And to make the plant holder pretty and strong and what I want it to be, I needed this rope here. So I ordered it from Amazon. See the difference between the two? There are lots of colors, but I just wanted the neutral color for now. I'm practicing, getting in the swing of things, learning all the knots, or at least trying to, with the beginner kit. So I'm gonna start with the easiest one, and I'll probably use this whole roll or near that. So when I've got it together and when I start on it, I'll keep you updated and posted. I think it's a wonderful way to break up the monopoly when you are sewing. Something easy breezy to do, relaxing, a DIY.